Hello guys, how you guys doing today? Hope you guys having a good day. And this video is gonna be about how installing an M4 exhaust. Where is it? M4 exhaust on a Yamaha R6. So I just got this in the mail today. I ordered it a couple days ago, and I have an aftermarket exhaust on it. And then after we put this on, I'll just turn it on and see the sound, how it is. It's gonna be a lot of difference because that one is, it's not that good. It's just, it's not that bad. It's not loud too. It's just, I don't like it. And one of my friend got this, the M4 one, and I was like, I need to have this. So just give me a second. I'll try to take that off, and then once I put this on, I'll show you. I don't know if you can see, but it's right here. This one is, which I'm gonna take off all that part and then just install it from here. And that's my Yamaha R6 2007. And yeah, I'm gonna give you guys a taste of how that sounds before we put this on the M4. Okay, I'm gonna turn it on now and show you guys the difference. That's what this one sounds, and then I'm gonna take it off and then we'll go from there. Okay, so this is how it's gonna sound without any exhaust. This is the one that I had, and then we'll see what's the difference between having the exhaust without having exhaust. It's kind of the same with the old exhaust, which is right here. Alright, so this is an M4, look like on a Yamaha, and let's hear it. I mean, I can feel a little different, but not a lot. But yeah, I mean, it's not a lot of difference. I was expecting more, but I don't know. I'll show him tonight and see what he thinks of, and then I don't know. I was expecting more, but it's okay. Alright, peace out and see you guys later.